In the last video, we explored how Gemini can create tables and formulas for you inside Google Sheets. Today, we will go one step further and use Gemini to automate data cleaning, summarize reports, and analyze trends, all without writing a single formula. Let's begin with a simple practical example. Suppose you have received a list of customer names. Create a data set containing. So we have received a list of customer names. That's messy. Some are written in uppercase, and some are written in lowercase, and a few have extra spaces. So you know that Gemini knows my uh, context, and it's automatically create the clean name data you are seeing in another column. Instead of manually fixing each one, you can simply highlight it and ask Gemini. But in this case, uh, Gemini has analyzed the data itself and cleaned it to remove extra spaces, fix capitalization, and name inconsistencies has been removed and fixed, showing in another column. You can also ask if Gemini didn't create this data. You can ask the follow-up prompt like clean up these names, fix capitalization, and remove extra spaces. Gemini instantly generates a clean version in a new column. So we don't have to put this prompt because it already has created this column for me. You can also ask it to standardize any other thing like phone number, email addresses, or date formats. This is a huge time saver, especially when you are handling survey or CRM data. Let's Gemini Now let's use Gemini to build a quick report automatically. Imagine you have sales data with three columns. Create a, create a sales data set with three columns. Region, sales. Normally would you would need formulas for pivot tables to summarize this data. But with Gemini, you can just ask. So we have a sales data having different region, sales, month, product, manager and units sold. So I can create this data, I can insert it, create a monthly summary report showing total sales per region and stage growth. Within second, Gemini generates a new table showing each region total sales and month over month growth. April North, because we don't have a previous month data, it's not calculating the percentage. Minus 12% compared to January, minus 8.1, 8.5%. So you can insert this data, control second. So now you know that it's now calculating the correct calculation based on this data. January central region, east, north, south. February first monthly sales by region. Month-wise data is is showing for all the regions, and then the percentage-wise data is also showing, as well as you can check the key observations on this data. You can record or copy this data to the sheet itself, and you can also create a presentation based on this data. So it's a very, very good tool to use, and that's how you can use Gemini in Google Sheets to automate data cleaning or reporting and insights, saving time and reducing manual effort. In the next lecture, I will show you how to create charts based on this data. Thank you very much.